हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं फिर से अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाला हूँ। ठीक है, आज मेरे पास है मिल्टन का वैक्यूम फ्लास्क। ठीक है, तो इसके सामने में आप देख सकते हैं उस फ्लास्क का जो फ्लास्क है उसका जो ड्राइंग यहाँ पे है। ठीक है, हियर इज द ड्राइंग and here is nothing. Here is you can see instruction for use. You can see here precautions and care, and another drawing you can see. Here you can see the Milton's branding, and here you can see it is available in three colors. Okay, it's available in three colors. That is deep green and brown and light green. Okay, and here is some means that the different parts of this flask you can see, and here the price you can see 395. In any online store you may get it very very less cost, in very less cost. Okay, और यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं एक 1 ईयर का वारंटी है। यहाँ पे है, आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा या नहीं होगा मुझे पता नहीं, I don't know actually. So now I will unbox this. Before doing that, please subscribe my channel and like this video, and you can see another videos in my channel. Okay, please go and visit in my channel, and please see other videos and watch other videos that I have unboxed. So here I go. Here we go. We will unbox this. Okay, now. So let me open this. Okay, you can see I'm opening this. Yes, ये रहा. Here is the product. You can see ये रहा हम लोग का प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है, और अंदर भी आप देख सकते हैं. मीन्स inside you see there is nothing. Okay, no manual card, anything is not there. Okay, so let me keep it side. एक साइड में रख देता हूँ उसको. ठीक है, तो ये रहा हम लोग का फ्लास्क. ये प्लास्टिक से it is covered with plastic. So let me see. Wow, very beautiful. आप देख सकते हैं ये बहुत ही beautiful design है. The design is very beautiful. You can see here. Here Milton branding is there. I love this designing. Yeah. So here also Milton branding is there. उसके नीचे लिखा हुआ है intelligent homeware. Okay, you can see. Okay, so for carrying purpose here is one strap you can see. Okay, so this is the ये मुंह है इसका. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये कप का जैसा भी यूज कर सकते हैं. इसको खोल के दिखाता हूँ. लेट मी ओपन दिस. यू कैन सी दिस. देखिए, देख सकते हैं आप. देखिए ये ऐसा है. मीन्स ये कप का यू कैन सी इट इज एक्टिंग लाइक ए कप. you can use this for carrying your tea, then cold water, then anything you can use for this. You can use this for anything. So I will recommend you, if you are going for something like that, something for any picnic and all, you can use this. Okay, you can use this product. You can see it is available in any online stores. Okay, so now तो there is lockdown. अभी तो इंडिया में हर जगह पे लॉकडाउन है. So you cannot contact now that online stores are closed. So after lockdown finish, then you can buy this. Okay, one more time, let me show you the branding one. You can see Milton Intelligent Homeware. imagination 1000 vacuum flask. Okay, so before going to मीन्स ये वीडियो फिनिश करने का पहले मैं आप लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, प्लीज़ गो एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, like it, and watch out other videos that I have uploaded in my channel. Please like it. And I'm using Geo phone, that's why my video quality is not that much good, but after a few times I will surely upgrade it, and I will give you some better quality of that video productions and videos, and I will bring some contents that is related to tech. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.